Hello boys and girls, Miss Holloway here. You should be on Reteaching 16-1 line plots. I hope that you watched the other YouTube video before this video so you will understand line plots a little better. If you have not, I would suggest you go back and do that first and then watch this video. A line plot is used in the same way as a tally chart. It is used to show numerical data. A line plot uses an X to show an outcome. The data shows the numbers spun in 330 spins. The line plot at the right can be used to show the data. So here are the spinner results and the number cubes tossed and then the sums down here, which probably doesn't mean much to you. So let me explain with number 1. Mark played a game with 2 number cubes, like that. He found the sum, which is this number plus this number, of the number cubes. The results are shown in the table. So for example, toss 1. Tossed it, he added up the 2 numbers to get 7. Now, of course, that doesn't equal 7, but we're going to pretend like it does. The second toss, this plus this equals 4. The third toss, that plus that equals 6. So this is how he got his sums. He's just tossing it. He tossed it 30 times, and then he wrote down the sum of each toss by adding the 2 numbers together. Okay, so we are going to make a line plot to show this data. So you need to get your pencil, and we are going to first draw kind of a number line. And the numbers down here are going to be the sums. So I'm going to go ahead and circle all of the sums so I know which column I'm looking in. And to label the sums, I need to look for the smallest number and the largest number and then go from there. I think the smallest number is 2. There's not even a number 1. So we'll start with 2. And it goes all the way up to the largest number being 12. So we're going to label from 2 to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to label this sums. Now up here where we write all of our X's, this is going to be the number of cubes tossed, or we can just call them tosses. All right, so now what we have to do is we have to go through, and since we're starting with 2, we're going to see how many times he tossed a number 2, or a sum of 2. Meaning he rolled it and he added them up to get 2. How many times did that happen? 1, looks like 1 time, so we're going to put 1 X above the 2. Now let's look for 3. There's a 3, only 1 time, 1 X. 4, 1 X, 1 time for 4. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 times for 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, no, 11 and 12. 1, 2. And there is our line plot. Now let's go down to number 2 and 3 and answer those questions. How many X's do you show for 8? So we're going to go up to the 8 and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which sum from 2 to 12 did Mark not toss at all? Which one of these does not have an X above it? The 11. Okay, now turn the page and you're going to do the practice side on your own. Good luck.